In this video, I'm reviewing my experience with BNESIM. If you're interested in trying it, product links are in the description. BNESIM is an international ESIM provider for frequent travelers, digital nomads, and remote workers needing reliable, flexible global connectivity. Unlike traditional SIMs, BNESIM's digital ESIM downloads directly to your phone, tablet, or even some laptops, eliminating the need to swap physical SIMs. This is practical for anyone needing consistent connectivity across multiple countries. A key BNESIM feature is customizable data plans. Instead of preset packages, you tailor plans to your data needs, destination, and usage. They offer country-specific plans, regional bundles, and global options. BNESIM also provides unlimited VoIP calls, a huge plus for making regular international calls without extra costs. Setting up the BNESIM eSIM was simple. I bought a plan, received a QR code, scanned it, and connected in minutes. The process was straightforward. The BNESIM app is well designed, offering data usage tracking, easy top-ups, and multiple number management. I found the app intuitive for monitoring data and recharging. In my experience, BNESIM delivered reliable network performance with fast speeds in major cities, making streaming and video conferencing smooth. BNESIM partners with major carriers for strong coverage, though speeds may vary in rural areas. Uniquely, BNESIM allows multiple numbers on a single eSIM, simplifying managing local numbers from different countries. Customer support, accessible via the app, was quick and helpful. Overall, BNESIM is a solid choice for travelers wanting flexibility, reliable data, and unlimited calls. It's easy to set up, offers customizable plans, and has a robust management app. If you're a frequent traveler needing adaptable, cost-effective connectivity, BNESIM is worth considering.